Hi guys, it's Peggy Williams with ENR Sales, and today I want to show you some quick tips on how to use your high flow pump. When you buy a high flow pump and it comes to your store, you open the bag and you have the pump itself. You have an extension for that pump that you use with a gallon jug, and most importantly, you have restriction clips that are in this little bag. And in the bag you have this cheat note. Please refer to this cheat note, use it all you can, because it tells you exactly what restriction clip to use for what size balloon you're inflating. In this case, we're going to glance down and we're going to see that we're going to do an 11-inch balloon with ultra high float. So I've taken the orange clip off and out of the bag, and I've pressed it on my pump, and magically I've put the pump in my gallon high float jug and put the orange clip to restrict the amount of high float that goes into an 11-inch balloon. This is the perfect amount of high float used to ensure that you get the most floating time out of that balloon, which is sometimes 10 to 20 times longer than a balloon that's not high floated.